It is based on a puzzle. 13 to 17 persons. What are the persons here? Nani, Puli, Fima, Tinku, Kiran, Ravi, Linga living in a building. Now if you observe here, the names again are starting with different letters. Hence let us write down the names. Nani, NP, Nani, Puli, Fima, NPF, Tinku, TNPFT, KRL. NPFT, KRL are the 7 persons we have. These 7 persons are staying on 7 different floors. 7 persons are staying on 7 different floors. 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These 7 persons are staying on these 7 different floors. Now we need to identify the person who is living on which floor, the age of that person, and the profession of that person. Clear now? These are the things we have. Flutist and so on, and each one of them belongs to different age group. One who is a flutist lives on an odd number floor but not immediately above the floor of linga, above or immediately below the floor of linga, and is not lived on the ground floor. Okay, and who is not living on the ground floor? Linga is not, and flutist is not on the first floor, on the ground floor. One who is a flutist lived on an odd number floor but not immediately above or immediately, and that person is not living on the ground floor. Flutist cannot be on the ground floor. Kanka flutist ekkada undali 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 are the possibilities, out of which 3, 5, 7 లో మనకి 7 కూడా possibilities తక్కువ. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? నాట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ అబవ్ ఆర్ ఇమీడియట్లీ బిలో, కనుక ఇద్దరు ఉండే ఛాన్స్ అయితే ఉంది కాబట్టి 7 లో ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. నౌ either third floor or the fifth floor, 2 possibilities, isn't it? Now let us start with the flutist at this place. Clear now? No flutist. Sorry, once again. Now 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are the 7 persons we have. Now we have the flutist. Flutist can be either on the third floor or on the fifth floor. First case flutist on the third floor ikkada తీసుకున్నాం. Flutist ikkada తీసుకున్నాం. And next one, second case flutist on the fifth floor. Flutist on the fifth floor. Then the one who is 21 years below the age of 33, pilot is living on an even number floor between the floors of linga and florist. Now pilot living on this one. Pilot living on an even number floor between the floors of linga and the flutist. Linga and the flute. First manaki linga cannot be in these 2 places. Why linga cannot be in these 2 places? Because one who is a flutist lived on an odd number floor but not immediately above or immediately below linga. Linga pakkana aithe led. And is not living on the ground floor. And that flutist is not on the ground floor. Kanka linga ee rendu places lo undakodu. Avuna kada? Then next one. Linga lives on an even number floor undi chudandi ikkada, but not on floor number 2. Linga lives on an even number floor but not on floor number 2. Ikkada manaki linga 4, 6 ఉండదు కాబట్టి linga must be here, but not on floor number 2 అంటే this case is ruled out. Now we have left with only this case. Where should this linga? Linga must be on the 6th floor. Follow here అండి. Linga must be on the 6th floor. Ikkada linga fix అయిపోయాడు. Then linga fix అయ్యాడు కాబట్టి now pilot living on an even number floor between the floors of linga and flutist. Flutist ki linga ki మధ్యలో even number floor లో pilot. Hence where should this pilot? Pilot must be on the 4th floor. Even number floor between 3 and 6, 4. And next one. Fema is an actor living above linga. Above linga, who is that person? Fema. And what is her profession? Actor. Fema is an actor living above linga. One who is the age of 25 lived immediately above or immediately below actor. 25 immediately above is not possible. Immediately below. Hence linga is 25 years of age. Done with this? And one who has the highest age lived on an odd number floor but not on the ground floor. Highest age and 51 years. 51 years, that person either on the 3rd floor or 5th floor. 3rd floor, 5th floor or 7th floor. Ante kada? And one who has the age of 25 lived immediately above. Female is an actor living above linga. One who has the age of 25 lived immediately above or immediately below. Highest age lived on an odd number floor but not on ground floor. Police has the age of 33 lived on an odd number floor below pilot. Even number floor below pilot. Police even number floor below pilot and ekkada ravali cheppandi. Police must be on the 2nd floor. And what is the age of that person? 33. isn't it? Police lived on an odd number, even number floor below the pilot. Below the pilot కాబట్టి police must be 33 years. Now first information ఉంది. 21 years is below this 33. Hence this person must be 21 years. Here now this person must be 21 years of age. Follow here in. Police has the age of 33 lived on an even number floor below pilot. Tinku is a student lived immediately below police. Tinku, a student immediately below police. Then next one. 51 years either 3, 5 or 7. ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. 3, 5 or 7. And next one. Driver does not have the age of 35. Now driver is not 35. The one who is 35 years of age is not a driver. Driver is not 35. And next one. Driver is not 35. There is one floor between Linga and the one who is 35 years. Linga ఇక్కడ కాబట్టి this person must be 35 years. Driver is not 35. Information మనకు అవసరం లేదు. ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చాలు. But he lived below Linga. Yes, 35 lived below Linga. Kiran has the age of 30. Kiran 30 ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి Kiran ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. Two different possibilities. అవునా కదా? Kiran can be either on the third floor or on the fifth floor. Kiran 30. Lawyer has the age of either highest or the lowest. Lawyer ఏం చెప్పండి? Either highest or lowest. Highest ఎంత 51, lowest ఎంత 21. అవునా కదా? లాయర్ మనకి అయితే 21 అవ్వాలి, లేకపోతే 51 అవ్వాలి. 21, 51. 21 is not possible. Why? Because student is 21. 21 లాయర్ అవడు కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు 51 is the lawyer. 51 లాయర్ అంటే లాయర్ ఎక్కడ కాదు, ఇక్కడ కూడా కాదు కాబట్టి లాయర్ మస్ట్ బి హియర్. ఇంతకు ముందు మనం అండ్ ద ఎల్డెస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఫ్లోర్ దట్ ఈస్ వ్యాలిడ్. ఏ ఫ్లోర్లో ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? ఫిఫ్త్ ఫ్లోర్. నౌ లాయర్ ఈస్ హియర్. ఇఫ్ లాయర్ ఈస్ హియర్ నౌ ఇంతకు ముందు మనకి 30 years ఏజ్ చెప్పండి. కిరణ్ హ్యాస్ ద ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ 30 years. కిరణ్ 30 years ఏజ్ కాబట్టి కిరణ్ ఇక్కడ, ఈ రెండు ఇక్కడ పాసిబుల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ పాసిబిలిటీ ఫర్ కిరణ్ 30 years. Then what is the age limit left over here? 28 is left over. Now this actor is 28 years of age. Kiran has the age of 30. Lawyer has the age of either highest or lowest. Puli lived on an even number floor but not on second. Puli even number floor but not on second floor. Hence Puli must be on the fourth floor. Ravi lived immediately above or immediately below where Tinku lives. Ravi is immediately above or immediately below. Hence Ravi must be on the second floor. If Ravi is on the second floor, then tell me who is the other person left over here? M is the person left over. M must be on the fifth floor. Sarvendani? Then what is the profession left over here? Driver is the person and this Linga is the driver. Linga is the driver. Now this is about question number 13 onwards. Who is living on the ground floor? Tell me. Tinku living on the ground floor. That is choice 1, question number 13. Then 14th one. And who is a flutist? Now Kiran is the flutist. That is choice 2. Question number 14, it is choice 2. Then 15th one. Now in this 15, what is the age of the driver? Driver is 25 years of age. Choice 3, question number 15. Then coming to question number 16 here. Who is living between the floors of Fema and the one who is 35? Fema and 35, tell me who is that person here? L and M. Isn't it? Now one who has 51. అవుతుందా లేదా? One who is 51, as that is valid. Isn't it? One is 51, is it true? Is it true? And get both 1 and 2. A and B is not 1 and 2. Then one who has 25 years of 25 years kuda imagine. Hence, what is your answer? Both 1 and 2. Choice 1 and 2. It is given in choice 5. Then next one, question number 17. 17th one, who is living immediately above the one who is a liar? Immediately above the one who is a liar, who is that person? Linga, the driver, 25. Linga, driver, 25. Puli and who is a pilot, and what is your answer? Living immediately below, immediately below the liar. Immediately below the liar, immediately below the liar, P the pilot 35. Puli, that is 2. 35 is 2. Pilot is 2. All A, B and C. Isn't it? All A, B and C. Then what is your answer here? 17th one. It is choice 5. Okay, choice 5 is the answer.